guys, my name is Yoshua Lobo. I'm from Para, Goa, and this is my first Supercross national race, and it's been a very nice race. And the climate, the terrain, it was very difficult, but at the end, this is what we have fun, and this is what we like to do. So yeah, and I'm studying architecture. I'm doing my third year right now, and you know, riding bikes is an art, and studying architecture is an art. So this is what, and also I would like to thank my whole team. These guys, and if they were not here, this wouldn't be possible. So thank you everyone. Thank you.
Are you coming from which place? No, which this is thing? What is your category today? Which category you this? SX3. So you rank now?
SX3.
No, which rank you got today? Place.
First place.
First place. Congratulations.